Hey, it's Matt. This is Adam from runbuilder.com, and we're coming at you with a duck in the background. And, Ducky, can you chill? Okay, back over here. Peace. Hey, this is Matt with runbuilder.com, and we're here today taking a little break from the cuda to show this. You guys have seen any of my old B-17 stuff on YouTube. This is my flat foam B-17 that I've been doing for a couple years now. This is a new one. This one is off of my CNC machine from the late great Crash Hancock. Adam has graciously lent me his brain to build an airplane on the computer so that we can cut these things out en masse and so that they will work. This is our first prototype of the new style to actually have motors on it and be ready to fly. We're so far a little concerned about how floppy she is. We've tried a different spar than I normally go with, so she might flap a little bit. Happy plane. But we're going to throw it up in the air here. It's cold.
Very windy.
It's very windy. And it's a maiden. Let's do it.
So check the goals. Left, or backwards?
Yeah, we are.
That would have gone spectacular.
Done that like earlier this week, I feel like.
Yeah. Like the last plane you flew out here.
Alright, so
Left.
right.
Okay,
left.
Right. Left.
Up. Down.
Left rudder.
Right rudder. Power.
Prop it up.
Alright, let's throw this thing in the air.
Slow this downwind.
Yeah, let's see. Where the wind's going. Oh yeah, that's definitely downwind. Oh, what could go wrong? Tell me when you're ready.
Ready when you are.
Go.
Not that power.
It feels way tail heavy.
I can see that. Get her in the wind.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Jump into the throttle. And try and glide her down quickly.
You gonna catch it?
If you chop props. You know, it's handling the flex very well. Climb out! Close enough.
The tree almost caught it.
5.
Something's definitely wrong.
I think we're tail heavy.
Crazy tail heavy.
Yeah.
I mean, oh! Ah! Too much Velcro?
Probably. That feels better.
Want to try it again?
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and into the wind-ish launch. I'm gonna go that way, so bank up left.
All right.
Ready when you are.
I'm over here now. Better? Oh, hey. Not
good enough. Do you think it's just all the flex that we've got? It's hard to tell if you were fully throttled now. Want to stick it out even more?
try. Ready?
Yeah.
We're
I don't know what you're hitting. Stop
all right. So it flew. We've got to figure out what the heck's going on.
Does not fly like the previous B-17s.
No, the previous B-17s fly great, but this is our first one we put in the air, and we'll figure it out. Maybe we put 2 batteries on the front instead of 1. And run individual batteries, like Milo did in the other one. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna figure this out. Just wanted to make a quick video. Just say I haven't stopped working on things. I'm just ADD as heck. The CUDA project is still going. Got some exciting news. I think I teased about that last time, so I should probably show something on that. So we'll cut to that right now. All right, so we're back from the really bad flight on the B-17. We're gonna figure that out. But hey, you know, it still exists. We're good. But I wanted to tell you guys, so I got this in the mail the other day, and I haven't even opened it yet. This is from lanesplanes.com. Lane has taken interest in the CUDA project. And he sent us this. Never cut towards yourself. Let's see what's in the box. Got a letter from Lane. Cool. Packing label. I have here is pretty exciting. So we have I'll put the wings upside down. Hey, actually included control horns. That's neat. There's one CUDA. Whatever. We got one CUDA. And we have a second CUDA. So, thank you, Lane, for providing airplanes for us to destroy. These are gonna be the first full-on Lane's Planes rocket CUDAs. We're not gonna need these. These are the awesome motor mounts that Lane cuts out with his laser cutter. And I have 3 of these CUDAs already that I have set up with regular motors on them, and they fly fantastically. These motor mounts go together really well. We're not gonna use them. I'll keep them as spares from other planes. What we're planning on doing is we're gonna drill a hole straight through the center of this airplane, because our rockets are probably gonna be
something like that,
about this deep. So this thing is gonna get reamed, and we're gonna see how fast one of these things can go. I think the chloroplast tail will hold up to the speed.
Sure.
We'll find out. Well, here we are. You know, we've got our first 2 actual Lane's Planes rocket CUDAs. Lane's Planes. I've got some videos on my page of these things flying. I think I've got some more video I can dig up from events that I can throw out there. These things fly great, and if you're looking for a foam airplane that flies fast, Lane's Planes CUDA kit, it's an easy plane. He's also balsa kits of this airplane too. I'll throw a link down the bottom for you guys to check out what Lane's site. But the craftsmanship and quality on these things, as far as a hot wire cut airplane goes, I mean, like, let's 2 left wings here, and they are just identical. And it comes, like I said, with motor mounts. It's got push rods in here. This is the lid, goes in here, covers that up. Just a really neat airplane, and I'm really excited to see exactly how fast these can go. So there we are. We have it. Our update for this week. We're still going to play a little bit with the last of the Dollar Tree foam CUDAs that I was using to kind of prototype this whole thing. We'll give those a Vikings funeral somehow, and then we'll move on to the big dogs. We'll move on to these, and we will start going real fast. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel. Go visit lanesplanes.com. Help me show him that it was a good idea to get involved with me here. And you know, if you have any ideas, want to see anything happen on the channel, just tell me about it, and we'll try to do everything dumb we can. So until next time, y'all take it easy. Let's go build cudas. All right, one more addition, B-17. Had to change the props because during the crash, lost the props. Added some extra bracing to the top of the wing to make the floppiness go away. And I moved the tail forward because I think part of our problem was that the tail just too far back made the CG really wonky. So I moved the tail closer to where it was in my original models, away from the real B-17. You know, sometimes you got to make decisions on scale versus functional. It doesn't look that much different. Like I said, tail is about that far forward. So the old mark, I believe, was right here. So we moved the tail about 2 inches forward. One last thing here. That might be enough power. Let's find out. I might be jumping the fence. Need different propellers. Alright, now I know it's not enough power, but we're gonna see if we can at least get it to fly. Move the battery back out to the tip of the nose. Here we go. More power. I don't know about you, but I call that a perfect landing. I mean, come on, it didn't even touch the ground. I'm gonna say it hasn't actually crashed yet. All right, so I'm gonna have to go with a bigger propeller, that's for sure. Cool things about these airplanes is they're pretty modular. Like earlier when I was working on it, I broke the tail. I just grabbed another tail out of the pile and put it on, and we were good to go. Gotta figure out what's making this thing so darn tail heavy, though. Might actually have to add a second battery. So we'll see what we're working with, and we'll do this again. One more thing I forgot to mention earlier is I wanted to thank one more time Lane from lanesplanes.com. He is actually the official sponsor of the Rocket CUDA project now, which is really exciting. He's my first sponsor ever with this channel, and just another shout out to Lane for everything he's doing for me on this. And we're gonna have some real fun tearing up his airplanes. I don't know if he'll give me any more though if I break these. So do me a favor, go out, buy a CUDA or any of his other designs. You can visit his website. Like I said, have that in the description below. That's all I got. Till next time, again,